Hi, I'm Dr. Stefan Weiss, board-certified dermatologist and founder of Trillium Clinic Dermatology and Med Spa in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. The Trillium Clinic is the region's premier dermatologist-led med spa. Not only are we committed to addressing your medical dermatology needs, like acne, psoriasis, or a changing mole, without a 6-month wait, we are also able to provide the most cutting-edge technology and cosmetic techniques to refresh your appearance. My team and I are dedicated to guiding you through every step of your aesthetic journey. Because to look your best, you must feel your best. We are equally committed to supporting you achieve your wellness goals by offering IV vitamin therapy and medical weight loss programs with the GLP-1s, semaglutide, and tirzepatide. Visit www.trilliumclinic.com to learn more about our range of services and book your appointment today. Trillium Clinic Dermatology. Your path to radiant skin starts here.